Welcome back to my estate video. I just want to quickly share this opportunity with you guys once more and to let you know that they are adding another beautiful villa to the portfolio that we have in estate. We have about 10, maybe 11 portfolio just now, and then the addition of this one we make it 12. Okay, including the ones that have been sold out as well, and the one that is about to be sold out as well. Okay, so guys, this is a good opportunity for all of us to jump in right now and grab a piece of this, because this is great, right? The new California villa that is coming will require a minimum of $2,480 to purchase a fraction of it, right? And then the income that you are going to be getting will be between 0.43% to 0.61% on a daily basis. And this profit is paid Monday to Friday. Okay, so that is 5 days in a week. You don't want to miss this opportunity, guys. If you are already in estate and you have a portfolio of real estate already that you have purchased, you should be thinking about adding this one to the number of the real estate that you have already. And the property value for the California villa that is coming is estimated to be $1,550,000. And this is great. Okay, this is great. The equivalent estate token is 155,000 EST. That is the total supply that is going to be apportioned to this California villa. So guys, this video is to prompt you that something good is coming. Okay, so once this is launched, please make sure that you go to your back office, deposit $2,480, and then sign your contract and purchase this property, because you are going to be blown away by the amount of income you are going to be getting from this property. And remember, everything in estate is legit, right? So the income you are earning is legit. The people that you are speaking to, they are real people. The property that we are talking about right now, which is going to be this new one that is being launched, it is also a real property. So guys, I am blown away by the opportunity that is being offered to every single person around the globe, okay, by estate. So don't sit on this, okay? Get your money ready. That is why I have some, dollars right here on my right-hand side on this screen. Please make sure you get that money ready and then get ready to purchase and sign your contract for this new California villa that is coming our way. The link to join, if you haven't joined estate, is below this video description, right? The instructions on what you need to do, how to register, how to complete your KYC, how to deposit, and how to purchase your property. All the videos I have personally done videos for those steps. So if you follow my videos, watch the videos, register, and then complete your KYC, deposit, and purchase your property, that will be really, really great. You want to start 2026 in a great way. And one of the ways to get that done is by registering in estate, purchasing your own fractional real estate, and then begin to receive your daily pay between 0.3 to 1% on a daily basis, depending on the property that you purchase, depending on the amount that you have used to purchase the fraction of that property. All right. So once more, the link to join is below this video description. Register, complete your KYC, and then the dashboard will be open for you to use the profit calculator to check how much you are going to be earning on a daily basis. That will now make you informed of the property that you are going to purchase, and then subsequently tell you how much you are going to be able to deposit to earn certain amount of money in estate. So guys, I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. The link to join is below this video description. Thank you very much, and God bless.